MLA ka Juwai Ma Wailadmiki Shylla haba jingkren hakador mar Mangtyngka ula khublei ya UCM ba ulala ban wanrah hakata karukom babaro kita sorkar kiyo benta wat kisamla baile ka sport ki bapule ki basna film bat kiwe haka jingedai ba jing chimram ka sorkar nak benta ka roi ka par ula ong ba haba imei ishimram kamut ba ikwa ban penkhia ya ka jing kasem Kheiñtroin ban la ban pha lai puli ya ki khon ban kyntiew ya karukom im bat kani kalong kumju haka sorkar haka jo kapor ulong ba omdai ban khein sting ya ka CAG report bar ulapan kan mauro ba omdai ban Kheiñtroin ya CM Jong Ngi na mar ulapan deb ya ka Jingpule na London haka liang ka Mangtyngka ni ka MBA na Imperial College London haka jingadai bar ka Jaintia Hills ula khublei ya ka sorkar bakala pelaj pisa ban bo ya ka Nursing College West Jaintia Hills bat ka Government College East Jaintia Hills ula kadeuro ban penhe ya ka keng nang ba Government College kabala pediang ya ki samla pule palat ya ka capacity bat kumjo ban penhe ya ka keng nang ba stadium bat kumjo ban wanrah ya ka tech park bat kiwei bat kumjo ban penbha ya ka pule puti bat penbha ya ka girl hostel ha Government Higher Secondary School Juwai.
Thank you, Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, for allowing me to take part in this general discussion on budget. At the very outset, sir, I'd like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister, and at the same time, I'd like to congratulate him for presenting his 8th consecutive budget on this August House. This itself, sir, is a big achievement, and it shows the trust and faith the people have on the government and under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister. I'm so happy, sir, to see the inclusiveness of this budget. Not like the old budget, where once we opened the budget, we saw the big allocation to few departments. But this time, sir, I'm very happy to see the fair allocation to all the department. And at the same time, I'm so happy to see that everyone are included in this budgets, from the youth, sports person, women, student, musicians, filmmakers, entrepreneurs, farmers, and so on, sir. And I'm so happy to see that they are getting the opportunity to avail different schemes, sir, from this budget. And that also not one, but they got the opportunity to choose through different schemes, sir. So for this, once again, sir, I'd like to congratulate our Honorable Chief Minister. No doubt, sir, there are many concerns from the people, especially from the opposition, regarding the loan and the debt taken from different government and private financial institutions. But for this, sir, when a mother take a loan, it doesn't mean to burden its family, but to educate her children, to uplift the living standard of the family. So, same thing, sir, I hope that this government and our Chief Minister also are thinking the same. And it's no doubt, sir, I'm not saying we should ignore the CAG report, but I would like to remind the August House and also the opposition that to not underestimate our Chief Minister, because he has a degree of MBA in finance from a very prestigious Imperial College of London. And from time and again, sir, he has proven through his reforms in different departments. And I hope, sir, we have seen the result, especially, sir, the state-owned tax has increased threefold from merely 1,450 crores in 2017-18 to 4,041 crore in 2025-26. And also, sir, the government expenditure has increased from 7,600 crores to 21,800 crores last year. This shows, sir, that the government is committed and they have spent. We have seen so many infrastructure in terms of schools, colleges, hospital, and so many schemes which help the people at large, sir. So, sir, through this opportunity, I would like to bring to the notice of the government few issues which concern my constituency and Jaintia Hills at large. Sir, I'm so grateful. I would like to thank the government of the day for fulfilling the long aspiration of the people of Jaintia Hills by sanctioning the new government college in East Jaintia Hills and also the nursing college in West Jaintia Hills district. But sir, at the same time, I'd like to remind our Chief Minister that sir, the present government college, the Kiang Nang Ba government college, required the extension of the college building, sir. Because right now, sir, almost double, triple the number of the students are sitting in the classroom. Another, sir, I'd like to remind you regarding the sanction of the rest 2 blocks of the integrated administrative complex, sir. Because last time, sir, we got the sanction of only 1 block. So in order, sir, to enable us to completely shift to this new building, sir, we are expecting the sanction of another 2 blocks on this, sir. Another thing, sir, I'd like to request, sir, to construction of the housing unit for the urban poor. Sir, there are many urban poor living in the urban area, especially in Jowai, which are having difficulties of having land. So, sir, if possible, if we, especially from the SASKI scheme, if we could get, sir, a building like in Norman Song, so I think it will be a great help for the urban poor, sir. Another thing, sir, I'm so happy to see, and last time I have visited Tura along with you to see the treatment of legacy waste in Tura. So I'd like to remind, sir, that in Jowai also, in Jaintia Hills also, we have our legacy waste in Mangtyngka, the old landfill. So, sir, I request if this also can be expedited as soon as possible in order to safeguard our environment and especially the water bodies in that area, sir. Sir, I'd like to remind the House and to the government, sir, that, sir, the only oldest playground, that is the Kiang Nang Ba playground in Jowai, sir, now, sir, it's not in the playing condition. Because this is very old and sanctioned very long back. So, sir, it's really need to, sir, it need a new turf and especially, sir, it need a sitting gallery. Last time during the Meghalaya game, sir, they have installed a prefab gallery, but that is just a temporary. So, sir, I'll request that with the coming up of the national game, if this can also be included. Sir, at the same time, sir, I am happy to see.
Please try to wind up.
Yes, sir. Just a few points, sir. Sir, I'd like to request, happy to see that the progress of the Tech Park Phase 2 in Shillong and also the Tech Park in Tura. So I'll request, sir, if the same can be sanctioned for Jowai as well, sir, for the youth of Jowai, sir. And, sir, especially thinking about, looking about the traffic congestion in Shillong. So, sir, I would like to urge the sanction of the Superintendent Engineering Office of the PHE department in Jaintia Hills, sir. Because, sir, for small issue, the people from Jowai has to come to Shillong, sir. So if this also can be expedited as soon as possible. And also, sir, we have sent proposal for creation of the PHE electrical subdivision in Mangtyngka to look after the Jowai water supply scheme. This also, sir, I would like to request if this also can be expedited as soon as possible. I'm so thankful to the government for sanctioning the working women hostel, sir, in Jowai. But at the same time, sir, I'd like to remind bring to the notice of this government, sir, that the hostel of the Government Girls Higher Secondary School in Jowai also, sir, it's now no longer functional, sir, because the PWD building has declared that it is unsafe, sir. So if, sir, it will be great help for the poor student coming from the rural area, sir, if they could have this hostel. Lastly, sir, I'd like to request the government, sir, as you know that we have many of the youth who have completed their education, sir, who are just sitting idle at home. So my request, sir, if possible, why not, sir, from the government, if we could able to give them some minimal amount and we ask them to go and do kind of internship or apprenticeship in some in the government or whether in the private in order, sir, because when they apply for any new advertisement, they need experience. So I think it is a win-win position, sir, for them and for the government also. So I'll urge the government to expedite on this, sir, if possible, if we could get the minimal amount and for them to go and do internship and get an experience. So with this few submissions, sir, because there are a lot, but I won't take much of the time because I know your door is always open to us. You never disappointed us. So, sir, with this few submissions, once again, I'd like to congratulate our Honorable Chief Minister, and I would like to resume my seat, Deputy Speaker, sir. Thank you.